Hello and welcome to day 43 of the N8N series. And for this week, we are going to keep things simple because for the last couple of weeks, we have done some complex workflows. So this week, we are going to keep it simple. For today, we are going to see how we can use an AI agent in N8N to analyze our landing page and give us insights on what we can modify to make it better. A very simple workflow. So let's get started. So let's begin with form submission. We have done this multiple times, right? So landing page URL, share the landing page URL that you want the bot analyze, and we just need one input. That is going to be URL, and that's text required. Let's click on execute step. Now let's take our own example, rate7.com, and I'm going to the form, submit. Okay, the form is submitted. We are ready with the URL. Now the next one is going to be HTTP request. The method is going to get, and the URL is going to be the one which we have got. So this will get us the HTML version of the website. The next is going to be the AI agent, and this should be defined below. And here is where we have to give the prompt. And the prompt is going to be, you are a professional expert in conversion rate optimization who helps business founders and CMOs improve their landing pages. You are a world-class expert in analyzing landing pages, roasting them, and providing valuable conversion rate optimization ideas to help businesses increase conversions. Okay, we have given some goals. We have given roast structure. We have given roast and recommendation criteria, right? And here is the content of my landing page. So we are going to drag and drop this one here. That's how we got the JSON data. That's all we need here. And we have to connect the chat model. Let's use OpenAI. So account 3, and this can be 4O. Now let's run this. We've got some bad parameter. Let's check what have we done wrong. Okay, so the model that we're using has a maximum token length of 128,000. Whereas we need 215108 tokens because the website is having a lot of content. So let's go with 5, right? And let's give it a try. It may take some time because it has a lot of information. Okay, so let's go back. GPT-5 generally takes longer than 4O. Of course, has a larger capacity. Of course, have a larger token limits. Let's try Perplexity or Gemini if this does not work. We have tried the model, and let's use Gemini. 2.5 flash should be good enough. Let's run this. And there you go. So we've got the details here. Now we have to extract the details, and for that, let's go to information extractor, and here we're going to give a prompt something like this, right? So JSON.output, which is this one, extract information or fields individually, right? Now we have to tell what are the fields that we need. So the first one is going to be negatives. The first one is going to be constructive feedback. Extract roasts. Second one, recommendations. Third one is going to be bonus tips. Extract bonuses. Finally, we can ask for summary. Extract summary. Okay, because it's going to be JSON, let's just make everything in small letters. Let's click on execute step. Oh, sorry, before that we have to connect it to model, and I'm going to connect it to the same model, and then now let's extract information. Okay, now we can send this to Google Sheets. So URL analysis. Here can be the URL. Here can be feedback. Recommendations, and then we had summary, and before that was it was just 3 bonus tips, if at all anything, right? So we can go here, we can put the bonus tips here. Now let's come back, go to Sheets and append row in sheet. So the list is URL analysis. Sheet is going to be sheet 1. So let's map this one by one. Let's go here, get the URL. Feedback is going to be this constructive feedback. Recommendation is going to be this one. Summary is coming over here, right? Also what we can do is we can mention all of this as required. So it will give us the output. So it's running right now. And we go here, and bonus tips will go here, if at all we have any. So let's execute step, and let's go back here. So recommendation has a lot of things. URL will be short, we know that. Feedback could be something like this. Bonus tips is empty, and we have summary as well. So let's make everything on the top so we can see here. Okay, let's okay, Red 7, I've taken a deep dive into your digital real estate, and while you have let's use wrap. Everything comes together. While you've got some solid foundation, right now it feels like a Michelin star chef serving instant ramen. There's potential for so much more flavor, right? So all the details it has given us. Likewise, it has given us the recommendation. Bonus tips, we don't have any, and we have summary as well, right? So you can automate this in a way where you keep getting this updates every now and then, so you can keep making changes. So if you cannot hire a full-time SEO person, then this could be your best bet, because AI will keep giving recommendations on what can change, and you can give it a try. And it's very simple. I hope this video was helpful. Please share it with others so that they can benefit from it. And I will come up with one more video for tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll come up with my next video.